Hello everyone. So in this session we will see what is a foreign company. So as per section 242 of the Companies Act 2013, a foreign company is a company or a body corporate which is incorporated outside India. So foreign company is registered or incorporated outside India. So it is not in India. Now it is registered or incorporated outside India and it has a place of business in India, whether by itself or an agent or an electronic mode. That is, say a company which is incorporated outside India. So either it has a place of business in India or it has some agency which carries on the business for this company in India, or it carries on the business in India through electronic mode. Electronic mode is if it carries on some business in India, some online business in India. Say it sells the good or provides some services through the electronic mode, that is provides some online services or sells the good online in India, then that is known as a foreign company, and conducts any business activity in India in any other alternative, or it conducts any business activity in India through any other alternative other than this place of business, agency or electronic mode. So in short, it is a company which is incorporated outside India, but it carries on the business in India, it either directly or through some agency or through a electronic mode. Then this is known as a foreign company. Now let us take one example. Say this is a company and it is incorporated in US, that is United States of America. Now it carries on the business in India. Now what does it do is it sells the goods through electronic mode, that is online. It sells the goods in India, online sale of goods in India. So now it carries on its business through electronic mode. So this is a foreign company. Let us take one more example. There is one company which is incorporated in United States of America. Now it produces some magnetic belts. Magnetic belts. Now what it does, it has a format of membership, that is the people from anywhere in the world can be members of this company, and then those members can sell the magnetic belts to the other people in their country or anywhere outside the country. So now there are some members of this company in India, say A, B and C, and all these members sell magnetic belt. Either they can sell magnetic belts to all the peoples that are staying in our country, or what they can do is they can create more members. So in short, these members of this company in India are acting as an agent. So they are carrying on the business of the company in India, though it is incorporated in USA. So as per the Companies Act 2013, it is a foreign company. So this was about what is a foreign company.